Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so we're doing chapter 34, problem 69. So this problem says you're in your car driving on a highway at 25 meters per second. And we look in the mirror and we notice a truck approaching. And the image of the truck is approaching the vertex of the mirror at a speed 1.9 meters. So this, this is the image speed of the truck, 1.9 meters per second. And this is when the truck is actually, so the object distance, 2 meters away. So we want to figure out what is the truck relative to the highway. So first of all, let's figure out what the image distance is. S prime, yeah, S prime when the object is 2.2 meters away. I forgot to write down the radius of curvature. It gives us this as 150 centimeters, but it also says this is convex, so let's put a negative sign there as our usual sign convention. So let's use our equation here. 1 over s plus 1 over s prime equals 2 over r. Cool. So let's solve for s prime here, and this should equal, or 1 over this should equal 2 over r minus 1 over s. Plug that in, we should get 2 over negative 1.5 minus 1 over 2. And this should equal s prime of negative 0. What the heck? Okay, 0.5454 meters. There we go. Fix that. Okay, so this is what the image distance is when the truck is actually 2 meters behind the mirror. So now we got to relate how to figure out what the speed of the object is when we know the speed of the image and the distances. So to do that, we're going to take our equation here, Lenz's equation, and we're going to differentiate both sides with respect to t. So this is going to be like this, equals d dt of 2 over r. Now the right side is just 0 because r and 2 are both constants. And the left side, let's start differentiating that. If we differentiate the first part, we should be left with ds dt on top. And with the power rule, we have s squared on bottom. And then we can add on the second part, which is similar, ds prime dt over s prime squared. And this equals 0. So now we notice that this is just v, and this up here is v prime. So we can now rearrange things and see that v is s squared v prime over s prime squared. Awesome. And now we have all those things, so let's just go ahead and plug those in. So this should be 2 squared times 1.9 all over negative 0.5454 squared. If you plug that in your calculator, we should see that v is 25.544 meters per second. Cool. But we're not done yet because this is the speed with respect to the mirror, but we want the speed with respect to the ground. So we just add in the speed of the mirror, which is also the speed of the ground, or speed of the car. See? So we have the relative to the ground is relative to the mirror plus the speed of the car, and this is just 25 added on, so 0.544 meters per second. Awesome. And that's everything.